2 continues. Seeing Hayes here. Is back, this time with the new horn setup. Right now, this first day of February. It's the Groundhog Day weekend. Bound Q decides to show up, check him out, and lean back and get him. TPU coming up, another tier 4. Q199. 3173. Q199, 91 of the 31st. Started at Markham Yard in Homeland, Illinois. We'll head up to Fairview Yard in Prince Rupert, British Columbia, Canada. It's the last of it, 5 units set. TX 885 157. Not bad at all. That's going to do it for the Q199, 91 of the 31st. And we'll do it for the 3337 and the DPU of the 3173. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin to begin the Groundhog Day weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great afternoon. Have a great weekend. See you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.